Taught me where it's stung. Every loss I wore too fresh. Show me what I let slide next. Nothing left I need to brag. Nothing left I need to prove. Funny how the screen gets clear when you stop trying to make it move. Used to every messy open, every flush I had to sit through. Every snap that ripped me open and what it made me do. Some days aren't about the win, they're about not doubling down. Licking wounds, keeping receipts, and coming back when the tape cools down. One more look, there's no rush to beat. MNQ's gonna toss his tricks, whether it's baiting or testing me. Enough fussing every can, enough chasing every move. If peace feels like anything, it's a clean read and a better groove.
Well, hello, good morning, good morning. We are live. Looks like we got to take a look at the news here this morning. Market has been climbing here. We were down at previous day low, value area low, popped up here over value area high. Currently trading above the overnight VWAP. We're trading above the point of control. So we're looking relatively bullish at the moment here. Kind of in a 5-minute bearish fair value gap here. Do we have some news this morning? Just wondering what this big candle is here at 7 a.m. Existing home sales? Hmm. 4 a.m. my time, 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hey, Angia, good morning. Jerry's in the house. Good morning, Jerry. How are you doing? Any idea what this big candle was here at 7 a.m.? Big candle, high volume. I was just looking at the news and I didn't see anything specific. You are the sunshine there, Angia. No idea. Gotcha. Pretty high volume on this candle. And what a move there. 67 points. And then we erased it all. And then we went almost all the way back up and then erased it all again. Do we have any? So we have this this bearish fair value gap. So 1 hour, which we kind of tapped into it. That would have been Friday pre-market. Oh no, Monday, sorry. Monday pre-market.
Another crack it ain't cute, don't gone dark.
4 hour bullish fair value gap below. 1 hour below.
First light on the second screen. P&L blinking red and green. The room is still, jaws tight. We're playing traps from last night. Funny how one clean push through highs can make a busted plan feel wise. Spent too long leaning on sides, trying to bully my way.
Well, I'm not sure. I looked at Financial Juice, and there was nothing really specific that was at that time that happened. But what's the Panama news? I'm not even aware of this. The only news that I see, like, other than sort of U.S. 10-year Treasury yield, which hasn't even, flagged red. U.S. forces fire on Panama flagged ship. Oh, that's what you're talking about. That's trying to run blockade our Iranian ports. But that was at 5:22 or 8:22 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Every whip took a chunk, every fake out taught me where it stung. Every loss I wore too fresh, show me what I let slide next. Nothing left, I need to brag. Nothing left, I need to prove. Funny how the screen gets clear when you stop trying to make it move. Here's to every messy open, every flush I had.
So it sold off here at the Panama News. So we were up at 29,860, went down to 29,822. So midnight open play. Midnight open play is not a thing today because we're basically sitting on midnight open. We do have the POC, but we've activated, or we've, ran through POC multiple times in yesterday's trading session. So we don't have an 80% setup. So I have no real clear draw on liquidity this morning, to be honest.
Crack it ain't cute, don't gone dark. I tagged the close, left a mark. First light on the second screen. P&L blinking red and green. The room is still.
This price is giving me sort of sideways vibes.
From last night. Funny how one clean push through highs can make a busted plan feel wise.
So I don't know, like lately I've been taking a trade right out of the gate, but I don't think I'm going to today, guys. Because I don't really have a clear draw on liquidity at the moment.
Dave doesn't know I'm here yet.
Yes, I do. Let me get this banner off here.
Just trying to sneak in while you were looking to the side.
I heard boop.
So I'm expecting a little bit of sideways shenanigans again today.
Yeah.
How about yourself?
Exactly.
Yesterday it was nothing but hot garbage, so
Hey, Skeletor, good morning. Might be preparing for a larger move up, could possibly manipulate down eventually and distribute up. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Yeah, it was, you know, like the couple, the trades that I've been taking lately have been like targeting either midnight open or POC out of the gate here. And neither of those trades are looking like I'm going to have that opportunity today because we're sitting right on midnight open price. And we've, you know, we've touched the point of control like 1, 2, 3, 4 times since, you know, in the Asia session. So I don't really see that being a super drawn liquidity. Like we don't have an 80% setup, that's for sure.
no.
Yeah.
No 80% setup, and honestly, looking at this right now, I don't have a real clear target.
Yeah, that's exactly my thoughts. There's what? You're gonna
I was gonna say the point of control, or I'm sorry, not the point of control, the value area low for this session is sitting down at 29,697 on NQ. If it gets down there, I might start looking for longs, but today it might be another sit out day. We got news about the US and Iran, sudden, you know, another peace deal. So I may wait for that to get breached by the Mango Mussolini and take a long on oil. So
Yeah.
as soon as that as soon as a ceasefire or a peace treaty is signed, I'll just wait 20 minutes for the Giggle twins to break that treaty, and then I'll go long on oil.
Makes sense.
But other than that, I got really no clear targets.
Do you know what happened at 7 a.m. there? This big bullish candle that we got? Was there?
So there was a large drop in oil on the news that somebody had landed in Tehran for peace talks.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Yeah, because there's nothing really specifically on financial juice that I could see. So
yeah, it was
gotcha.
somebody landing in Tehran for peace talks. That was when that happened. Whether or not the two are related,
there it is.
Not 100% sure, but
well, that's right at 7 Eastern Standard Time. It says Pakistan's Interior Minister arrives in Tehran for talks. Yeah, I just had to scroll a little bit further down, I guess. Dope. And then U.S. forces fire on Panama flagship, which happened here at 8:20 a.m. and we pulled back pretty hard off of that. And it looks like we got existing home sales today.
Isn't that at 10 o'clock? Maybe.
I didn't check the time here. Let's see. Yeah. Yep, 10 a.m.
I went over all the news this morning and the pre-market, but I knew there wasn't a whole heck of a lot. Fed credit reports at 11. Goolsby speaking at noon.
Yeah.
He sounds like a Scooby-Doo villain. Goolsby.
Goolsby.
I would have gotten away with it too if it wasn't for you pesky kids.
Yeah. Jerry says, great job sitting out yesterday at the New York session, Skeletor. It sucked. Yeah.
Yep.
After catching a small little trade or whatever in the morning, I was like, yeah, this thing is not looking
Wasn't
not
a
looking
great wasn't a great market to be trading. We got less than a minute till New York open here. Oh, and look at that drop.
Yeah, there we go.
ES is just taking a nosedive right here.
Straight down to the POC there. Jeez.
Now, the one target that I see that may end up working on ES is the gap fill down to 7,778. Not a huge move, but that is the gap between yesterday's... Oh, no, I'm sorry, not 78, 75. That is the gap to yesterday's New York session close.
Gotcha. Hey, Joanne. Hola. Hola.
Hola?
Hola. I don't know why I came out like that. Straight down to value area low here. Wow.
We still got orders on the book map above and below current price on MES. Mostly below on NQ though. Got the heavier orders below. We do have 152 orders sitting up at 29,900.
Mm-hmm.
But that's the one big block. It's like MES is pretty equally weighted though.
Yeah, we need to definitely hold off, it seems like, this morning. I mean,
Yeah,
the Bears are here, but I don't know. I just don't really feel like I can trust the market this morning.
No, not so much.
Spanish salutations. So we are holding sort of value area low there, which had a bullish fair value gap from pre-market. Got a couple bullish fair value gaps. Got a minute and a half here. Could potentially hold one of these fair value gaps anyways. Pretty strong push down to the value area low though. So kind of thinking maybe we're gonna have to lean a little bearish this morning.
I'm not getting into this now.
No.
I don't mind taking shorts, but I'm trading ES today just for the clean movement. 791. Last candle closure was at 779. I'm looking at a 1 minute chart right now. Yeah, no. We'll wait for the opening range to set.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, the Dow candle looks crazy. It literally went down, straight down and then straight back up and then closed right in the middle. It's like the body's like in the very middle of two huge wicks. Just Dow doing Dow things. Jerry. Why am I alone? What happened? I like your music. Do you have indicator for imbalance? I do not. Do you use one? Wayne, below VWAP, MNQ, -1 deviation. Yeah. Oh, you don't have one, but you'd like one. Gotcha. What do you mean by like imbalance? Like, is it for like the market open to see if there's more contracts on one side or the other or something, or? That was just ripping here. First hour of the market. Gotcha. Sounds like a good idea to check that out. Imbalances are good levels. Gotcha. That's true because you're going to see maybe where the market wants to go rebalance, right? So I did, I'm in a, maybe I'll try to get it open here, but I'm in a YM long here with 2 micros in an evaluation account. Let's see if I can log out of here. Log in on those accounts. You guys can see what's going on here. Try to get YM open here on the book map. I usually find it pretty hard to read the price on YM with the book map here. With the other 2 indices being so bearish, I'm kind of a little bit concerned that YM's just going to turn around and go bearish also on me here.
It wouldn't surprise me.
Just because it's like the other two are looking pretty heavy. Which, I mean, it could be just a rotation. They could be rotating into YM for the day, but I'll leave this a little bit. If we end up taking the low of this candle, I'll probably just cut it. It's, you know, it's not a huge price anyways. So let me just take let's get a little. Somebody just called Zach "you stupid" on stream, like from the chat.
All right.
Like, yeah, this stupid guy probably makes way more money and much better trades than you do. What the heck? Just somebody on Prop for Match was talking about Zach Arbucci, and they said, "You stupid," and Zach was like, "What? I'm stupid? Like, I probably make way more payouts than you do." Hey, Tim, good morning. You're back. Nice. Did you get into work now? Hey, there's Puran. Hey, good morning, Puran. YM's looking cleaner, right, Jerry? Yeah, a little bit. Although it seems to be finding some resistance up here above 520, or sorry, 54 to 23. Tim's at work. Nice. How is the chicken sales going, or is it died off now? Finding some resistance here, 54,260 again on the YM. Sounds like I hear lots of clicking going on over there. Are you setting up a trader's post or something?
I am marking up my chart. I am looking at a couple of different levels, going from monthlies for a cash account and I'm looking at where I want to take an oil trade after this newly renewed peace talk fails.
Okay.
I'm not even gonna. Right, I'm not even bothering with any ES, NQ, or YM trades right now. I'm looking at levels on gold and oil and YM to see where I'm gonna take an oil long, because pattern recognition is a skill that we've all seemed to acquire. So I'm just going to assume that this pattern of dementia induced behavior is going to occur, and these peace talks will end in the same ball of fire that the last ones have.
Yeah. Oh, FN Trades shorted one NQ at 750 there, out for $500 win in a personal account. Off to work. Nice job, bro. Beautiful. Tim says they're done. Our big sales are now deer food, plot, seeds, and fertilizer. Deer food. Damn. Dr. Hi, Matt. Good morning. Hi, how are you? This YM trade looks like it's playing out pretty good. I got my TP there looking for 329. Wow, NQ's just pushing lower here.
And YM is just pushing higher.
Yeah. So my entry is 54,214, and my TP is up at 54,327. So I'm looking for about 115 points here. 2 micros.
I'm sorry, what are you in? Are you in YM trade right now?
Yes.
All right.
MYM long. It's playing out a bit here. I'm up 72 in this trade currently, so
very nice.
Yeah, it's pretty good for a YM 2 micros, right? 2 micros, pretty small trade. Just got to break through the 300s here, and then should be able to tap my 329, no problem here. Knock on wood.
Yeah, I mean,
okay, we're at the 300s here. Come on. I feel
keep on going.
Like I said, I feel like if we can just get through the 300s, it's just gonna like pop straight up here. I should probably bring my stop into profit now, in case we get some silly news or something. Yeah, I put my stop in the bottom of this candle low. Finding resistance here at the 300s. I was thinking, and I'm a little too late now, but I was thinking to take one off at 300s, because that looks like it might come down and stop me out now, unfortunately.
We are getting a few orders down below on YM. All right.
Bouncing back up here. I'm going to take one off if I can here up at the... Okay, we got one off at the 90s here. And I think I'm going to just trail this guy. See if we can't squeeze a little bit more out of this. Get a little more aggressive once we get up, if we get up to the 330s here. Stalling out at the 300s.
Yeah, it's looking like NQ's getting a little bit of lift here. Some support at 659 level, 660. I mean, the New York session low at 300, or I'm sorry, 300.
Funny, Zach has to leave for a minute. He's like, "Hey, chat, can you watch my trade for me, please?" It's like, what are they gonna do?
Look at it. That's all they're gonna do. So yeah, 29,636 was the low for the New York session on NQ.
Tim went short at VWAP MNQ, 2 contracts, made a quick $100. Nice job. Nice. On the little bounce. Nick in cyberbully mood today? I don't know what that comment. I can't remember what your comment was, but
I was busting Jerry's balls today.
Okay. Makes sense.
I saw him over on the Traders Post live stream, so I asked him how his hemorrhoids were doing. He said he named it Nick. I told him I thought our butt baby was going to be a little bit different than a hemorrhoid. Just because.
Are we going to get the 330s here? Looks like it's trying to. It's above the 300s now. Slightly. Hey, there's Peter. Peter Hartman in the house.
Ah, lovely. Gotta love that Peter. Anybody who's named after a dick, you gotta like him.
There's that cyberbullying again. Here we go.
That's not cyberbullying. That's just busting balls. Peter knows that his name is another name for a wang.
Come on, tap the 330s. We're at 320 now. I just want to see this full trade play out, even though I'm trailing now. I would like to see it hit that 330s. I feel like I should probably get my stop close to 300 here. Put it 395, 295. So if we end up breaking back below the 300s here, it's going to take me out of this last contract. Hey, Kyle, good morning. Kyle's in the house. W's in the chat for Kyle. What are you doing? What are you trading, Joanne? Are you just rooting for my long here? 2 U's in the chat for Kyle.
2 U's? I like it.
Yeah. Uh-oh. You get stopped out here. Come on, YM. Hold the 300s. Hold the 300s.
Look at this. Oil's going back up again.
MNQ made it down to -3 on high volume. Uh-oh. Definitely looking bearish. Up, Dow. Hey, thanks, Joanne. Appreciate the rooting for it. It's a W, LOL. Yeah. W in the chat for Kyle. Woo! NQ is pissing you off, Blackout News. Why? It's not bouncing, or it's bouncing too many weird times? Come on, tap the 330s here. 4 points. You got it, Dow. Oh, 2 points. 2 more points. Better pissed off than on, brother? Pissed off than on? Yeah. There we go. We just took the 330s. Nice.
Good job. It's a nice trade.
Gonna trail this up a little bit. I'm still just trailing it though. Stops now at 300. Ooh, coming back down right away. So 330s maybe the level of resistance here. Stops at 299. 54 299.
All right.
Blackout News, you're short. Oh, but it's bouncing on you. MNQ is getting a reversion to the mean. Looks like I'm gonna get stopped out here on this last contract. Oh, yep. There we go. I'm out. Out of that trade. It was an okay trade. think I need to possibly consider sizing up next time I take a YM trade. 2 micros doesn't really do a whole lot.
Yeah, but a little bit repeatedly goes a long way.
Yeah. Oh, NQ's popping pretty good now. At least it kept me out of nonsense trades on the other contracts. So NQ is now in between the New York VWAP and the overnight VWAP here. Is that like an alarm clock or something?
Yeah.
Cool. It's like it sounds like a grandfather clock or something. Skeletor says, Nick, are you long in oil? Hey, there's Dad. Good morning. Thanks for the like.
Not at the moment. I have a limit order sitting at, hold on, let me pull up my chart here. I have a limit order sitting at 79.35. I have another limit order 76.90 and another limit order at 74.50, all long.
All right, I scaled out of that NQ long there. I got 1 micro left here. We're up 145 currently. I'm going to start trailing this guy a little bit better, though. Stops up at 755. I didn't like that we were stalling out at the overnight VWAP jumped pretty heavily there, so I figured let's take some risk off. Now I'm down to 1 micro, just trailing it up here in top
right.
1 futures, 50K elite daily.
You have
I'm out there.
all right.
Stopped out in profit on the last one there, so $130 in the top 1 futures elite daily account.
Well, you know what? I think I'm done for the day. I got my I got everything in here for long trades on oil for when the these peace talks fail.
Okay.
And I really don't want to touch NQ or ES right now. YM seems like it's getting to be to the point where it's a little bit overextended.
Yeah. Pulling back.
We got I mean, maybe a VWAP bounce on ES.
Well, there goes the push through the overnight view up there on NQ. Oh, there we go. Shoot. Should have just waited for one more candle, eh? give peace a chance. Big Teflon goes, give peace a chance. Mustang? No. If, pattern recognition.
That I'm not saying no. I'm right there with the give peace a chance thing. You're such a good negotiator with that book, The Art of the Deal, then maybe you should actually make a damn deal.
Wayne says MNQ hindsight, big boys long from low a day. Yes. That messed up your eval blackout news. Oh, damn. Yes. Can't really trust the market here.
Nope. Not even a little bit.
Gotta wait, be patient, try to get in with the momentum here. You can't really hold too long today. Damn, right to the POC. So how are we doing here on the stream? Looks like we have about 16 people in YouTube and 5 people in X. Good morning, everybody. Appreciate you guys being here. We will be running a stream tonight at 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so make sure you come hang out. Try to win extra duck into the Sunday race. See if you can't capitalize on the giveaway. Wow, Dow retraced that whole move back to opening price. SF all day today. Good morning to you. The art of the deal when Israel has blackmail on you. Oh, yeah. Wayne says TP1 at +2 deviations, RTH, MNQ.
Here, they're over here.
Very nice. Good job, Wayne.
Wayne's killing it this morning. All right, I'm gonna step away for a minute.
All right.
I'm getting real irritated with looking at this chart. Be back.
Okay. So did we already have the home sales? I think we did, hey? Because that was like, that's not a very impactful news. I mean, it's listed as a high impact news on Tradezella, or yeah, no. Yeah, on Tradezella. It shows existing home sales as a relatively high volatility news, but we didn't really get a whole lot there. This 10 a.m. candle there. Bit of volatility there. I wonder if we're going to go to previous day high. I mean, if we get above value area high, we're definitely going to previous day high. Maybe we can look at something like this. Sort of stop below the POC. Sorry, Market Butcher. I secretly added NOS to my bike today. Really? Are you going for a rip? Flat 3 minute MNQ getting some red delta. So you mean you closed the trade, Wayne? I just gotta use the bathroom real quick, guys. My apologies. I'll be right back. Sorry about that. Just realized that my streaming lights aren't on. You need to calm down your heated? Yeah, lock it out for a bit. Maybe go for a walk. You can just get away from the charts too, right? If you're starting to feel like that, you got to try to implement something that can help sort of like reset you, right? You got 3-minute shakeout? 3-minute shakeout. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Indecision, bearish candle, heading back up here. Yeah, being heated is not the way to be trading. That's for sure. You want to be nice and calm so you don't make any emotional decisions. Joanne, are you do you have the day off today? Getting a bit more of a pullback here. Oh, you're on vacation. Where are you? Where did you go for vacation? Another day of complete poo-poo markets. Right, Big T? Big T? Yeah, seems like it. Seems like they had some pretty clean moves in yesterday's session. Like previous day low up to value area high, back down to previous day low, back to value area high. These could have been some really clean trades. Is there another chat you can't see most of the messages? Some of them might be in Nick's channel. So looks like we have about 10 people watching my channel and 4 people in Nick's channel. So it's possible they're over there. Let me take a look here. Yeah, I think Joanne's in Nick's channel. And I think that's about it. Oh, you want Nick's channel is Mustang Trader. Let me just grab it for you here. Now we got about 14 people in YouTube. Good morning, everybody. Coffee pot just went off, so get ready for some coffee pretty quick here. Just got to finish my creatine and electrolyte drink. I need to get some different flavored electrolyte next time. Getting pretty sick of this flavor. Hey, Noe, good morning. How are you? Hey, wrong trade, Jim. Also, good morning. Need a positive stream. Too much negativity. Hey, yeah. I mean, the market isn't great today, but we try to keep it positive here. Which were you in a different stream that was people were being a little negative or what? The market's hard enough. We don't need to add any added negativity to people's lives when trading futures here, in my opinion. Find a little bit of resistance here still at the overnight VWAP. Couple buy volume balls there on the NQ. Small community stream is where it's at. We get to know everyone and learn from each other. Yeah, totally agree. Totally agree. Nice chill vibe here. Hey, thanks. Fall day 2 day. I was feeling a little sleepy, so I figured let's stand up. If I stand up, that should keep me awake better. So, good test so far. Current 2 bars. Think we're gonna pop a little bit higher here, Wayne. Really need to get above that POC here if we can. 29,792. There's nothing to learn. Every trade is 50-50, and it's now a casino thanks to the Prez. Sort of stuck between the 2 VWAPs currently. The New York and the overnight VWAP here. Some indecisions. So you guys flat right now? What are you guys thinking? Just curious. Are they going to take the VWAP here or not? Looks like they're getting more resistance there at the 60, 65 level. Thank you for calling out levels. I don't have charts yet. Need to figure out what strategy I'm comfortable before I dirty my charts and confuse myself too. Every trade is probabilities, not guaranteed. When in doubt, sit out. There you go, Chris. Chris has always got lots of good comments for us here, guys. Smart trader. $155 drawdown left. Oh damn, yeah, that's not very much. Well, one micro, try to take some base hits, you know, $40 at a time. Hi Tam in the house. Hey, good morning. Green and chillin', waiting for A grade setup. There you go. Nice, Noy. Very nice.
You in anything now, Dave?
That's a negative.
Yeah. Sorry, I had to take a little phone call there.
Yeah, no worries.
And yeah, I got I have really no desire to get into anything right now. This is
Don't let the chop chew you up. FOMO is a sneaky B-tard. Yeah. Don't have to make money every day. You can take a break even flat day also.
So you read that as B-tard. I would have gone with bass turd, like fish poop.
Oh yeah. Like a turd from a bass. Basses like to turd. What can you
Hi,
say?
Tim. Just woke up. All right.
Nice. Sleep is pretty important, and you didn't really miss a whole lot. So
yeah, this is the market I'm really not interested in playing in right now. You're flat. I'm flat. I got orders then for oil longs.
Hi, Tom says, good morning, Nick. Nick's been up for a number of hours already.
Oh, yeah. Definitely a number of hours.
We got the initial balance just set there, guys. Yeah, this is kind of like right in the middle of the range. It's not really a place where I'm feeling like the risk to reward is good. We could always come right back down to these lows again. I mean, there's a chance we're going to go back to the pre-market levels, you know, right before the open, the highs. But kind of like I did frame up a trade potential idea here is if we can get a closure above value area high, might be able to try to take a long up to previous day high. I gotta use the bathroom though, so I will be back in a moment.
You can play the 5-minute chart today for scalping because of a bullish. Yeah, no. Absolutely not. Don't do that. Not too much. Yeah. You don't necessarily have to. You've already got some funded ones, yes? I believe. think I should have paid attention on the oil that bounced earlier. Oh yeah, you got the 50K funded. Yeah, don't take trades in this market. This is just a bunch of bullshit right now. I'm leaning towards up to the 800s. What are your thoughts? Let's take a look. You're looking at MNQ. I was going to take a long on it. On NQ, it would have been off this initial bounce on the VWAP on the 5-minute, but we got oh my god, do it now. No, just kidding. So we got orders up at 128. I'm sorry, we got 128 orders at 29,800, 110 orders at 92.50. I would honestly wait for a continuation of this trend, trend coming up off of VWAP. It's been moving since 9:55 and somewhat of an uptrend, but there's nothing in here that's making me think that either direction is going to be safe.
Oh, look at that. We did a whole lot of nothing so far.
Yep. So on a 1-minute chart, it is range bound for a while. No.
Yep, basically.
Nope. Don't want to be in
VWAPs.
anything.
Hanging out between the VWAPs. Yeah, we're in the range for 40 minutes. I mean, they're building up for some sort of a move, probably. But just right now is definitely not the time to trade. It's a FAFO market right now. Hey, Jerry? Yeah.
Yep.
Needs to break 790.50 VWAP high of the day. Yep. Need to get above the point of control.
There's no reason for me to be in any trade here.
Yeah. Is it a flat time for you? No need to rush, Skeletor. Yeah, exactly. Well, it sounds like we're all on the same page here. Hi, Tam. Hello. How are you? Didn't see the stream. Uh-oh. Double check that your notifications are set to all in your when you're subscribed. Sometimes the algorithms are not that friendly. So Top One Futures has a new deal back on. I just was looking at the email real quick there. So they have 55% off the 2.0 promo. 55% off everything site-wide. So, and then they have the elite access BOGO deal is back. Buy one, get one.
Who is this?
Top One Futures.
Gotcha.
Do you still have any of those accounts?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. I was like wondering if you ended up finally broke the curse or not.
Yeah, the curse has been broken, so
Very nice. And it sounds like they have a new dashboard and everything too, actually. I think they updated the dashboard a while ago though.
yeah, it was I think last month at some point that they did it. All right, Doc, I'll be back.
Okay. Elite Access, just $39 each. Pass in 1 day. Lowest cost when buying 2 plus. Unlimited $35 resets. Okay. So once you get in, you can get a cheap reset. Buy one, get one free with code BUTCHER. Elite Daily has a free no activation fee. 40% consistency on the evaluation. So pass in 3 days in the eval, which some people don't like that, but you can do only one mini on these. I guess this is a 25K, right? Yeah. 3 minis on a 50K. Theta burn option holders. Oh, they got the 55% off the instant funded accounts too here. So regular 679 for straight funded, 50K only 306. 20% consistency. They usually don't put these other accounts on discount. What's a 50? So 360 for the 150K instant ignite funded, but it's only 15% consistency. So 423, pretty pricey. Straight to fund is pretty pricey. Yeah, I know. I agree, Big T. I agree. Especially in these current market conditions, right? Like we just get these freaking 100-point moves like daily, right? This was 200 points from the highs or from the opening candle down. Where did we find support? We just swept the pre-market lows, I guess. Pushing back down here to the VWAP, to the New York VWAP. Is this thing gonna play out and be in a bearish move? Okay. I missed that short just after the open gutter session VWAP and overnight first deviation band bounce. Yeah. I went over to YM, so I took a trade in YM. I made about $50 in that. Oh, why isn't this price can't be a little bit cleaner on the day, right, guys? We gotta be stuck here. If you are gonna do any trades, I would say, you know, probably just look for like support and resistance levels within this little channel. Seems like what we're doing right now. Going back down to the VWAP, going back up to previous day's VWAP, going back down to New York VWAP, back up to previous day VWAP, over and over. CVD is constantly going up or going up, price going down, sort of. Yeah. They're trying to see where they can trap us the most. Then big move. Yeah, that's true. That's true. They're just accumulating here. Break time, more coffee. I'll be back. Yeah, I gotta dump out the last bit of this drink. Actually, I should probably just finish it and get some coffee.
Yeah, you really should. Oh, you with your hot water and creatine hooey. Walked away for 15 and it's still doing this BS. Yeah, that's what it does. It tends to do a whole bunch of BS.
Yeah, if Blackout News, hopefully you're feeling a little more centered, but you know, maybe today's just not the day to trade. So when you see it like this, you just got to think like, okay, well, this is not the market we want to trade, so we're not going to trade it.
So here's the question of the day. Have you seen me take a trade yet today during the New York session?
It's a negative.
There's a reason for that. Doesn't need to be a trade every single day.
Yeah.
Today's just not my day. I'm glad I recognized that in the pre-market though, because I could have blowed up a couple of accounts. I do like this YM movement from 9:30.
Yeah.
That initial, what here we got 30 minutes of it just moving on up like the Jeffersons, and then a nosedive down below the opening price.
Yeah. That happened. My 330 target was pretty reasonable because it basically almost topped it there. We had
337,
36, 37, yeah.
Yeah, I mean you definitely did a great trade on that one. I didn't, but
Initial balance wave map. Hey?
Oh, excuse me. Initial balance what? Who?
Joanne was looking for that sort of imbalance indicator.
Initial balance wave map? Is that like a quant view or quant pro or one of those quant things? Sorry, I'm an idiot today.
Oh, it's by Trader Drysdale.
Oh. Wait, what? No.
Yeah.
Initial balance wave map. Well, now I gotta pull that up.
It just really shows IB high, IB low in the midpoint. Weather's looking pretty decent out today. Sunny. Oh, you're currently participating in a boot camp with Chris? Nice.
Who's doing this?
Joanne.
No, very good. Let me know how that works out for you. If you like it and oh yeah, the Chris Drysdale book is yeah, it's awesome.
All right, we're back above the PLC here. It's a little promising for the bulls. $800s? What's that, Noi? The funded floor one. I'll be back 1 sec. I just need to calm Frank down here.
Ralph sounds like he's angry. He's definitely not liking whoever just came over to visit. Oh, Skeletor, no problem. That was one of my favorites.
That's Frank, not Ralph.
Well, Frank was not a happy camper.
Yeah. I should have closed the door here before I left.
No, Joanne's dog is staring at her screen now, looking for a dog.
Yeah, like, hey, what's going on over here? Oh, I can hear him on the stream now. Oh, we're pushing up. We held the PLC. Looks like all the orders coming on above here. 812, 820, 840, 850.
You still looking at NQ?
Yeah. Still feeling a little reluctant to take a trade, though.
Might be a reason for that.
Plum Trader, hey, good morning. What was that, Nick?
In fact, I think it's time for me to call it quits and start drinking for the day.
Gotcha.
Drinking more water. Hey, Plum Trader, how you doing? Skeletor's looking at oil.
Yeah.
Just remember, oil's slippery.
Can slip right through your fingertips.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, Big Teflon's got a point there. The volume is extremely low on today's session.
Yep.
I mean,
volume is low on the session as a whole. If you're gonna stick around and start looking for stuff, wait for high volume candles.
that last candle did close higher than the previous few.
Wayne, I'm not sure what you're thanking me for, but you're welcome.
He's just saying thanks for hanging out, probably. Thanks for the pre-market session. Thanks for hanging out. Plum Trader got your first fund 50K account and ran it into drawdown, but this morning marks my third green day in a row from 560 and drawdown only now to 212. Nice.
Good deal.
So you were negative 560 and now you're only negative 212. You're getting in the right direction, that's for sure.
Yeah, that's definitely in the right direction. And I've had plenty of evals that I brought down to 550 and managed to turn around. And some of those I just blew up completely and got toasted. But, you know, that's going to happen too. Don't be afraid of it. It will happen.
Skeletors, I'm happy with my pre-market trade I took 3 hours ago. No need to force anything. I'm just going to enjoy your stream. Yeah, there you go. It is nice when you can you get a decent trade, and then when you start seeing the price like this, you're like, you know what? I don't even need to trade. I already made a little money. So no need to force anything, right? I think one thing that I've been better at lately too is just knowing when to stay out of the market.
Yeah.
I've been doing better at that because I'll even catch myself, you know, thinking about going into a trade and being like, but this market just, you know, there's more of a chance that we're just going to go back to the like whatever recent lows than it is to like continue higher. So what the heck, right?
Yeah, and that's definitely a sign of growth.
Yeah. Joanne said, I had a problem with my consistency in my Lucid account challenge. Now I'm at 54,000 and I have to get to 55,000. It sucks. Ooh. Which account did you have for that? The Flex account? I guess.
For a 50% consistency?
Yeah, the Flex has a 50% consistency. So what, did you made like 2,500 in your first trade or what? Or your first day? Or in a single day anyways? Like 50% consistency is like pretty decent. You must have had a really good day.
I did that with a top one account.
Yeah, I remember.
I think that may have been one of the dumbest days I had ever had. I made $25,000 on a single account in top one. And yeah, that was the biggest bonehead move I have ever.
That's just like blowing an account.
Yeah,
right?
it's actually worse than blowing an account because the sheer amount of anger you feel about taking a really good trade and it meaning precisely dick is not great.
Like, wish it was in a cash account or in a funded account, right? So I noticed it. I had a couple people had used my discount code with Tradeify. So thank you if any of you are in the chat that did that. I appreciate it. The payout rules for Tradeify are a little bit different. You have to get to 1,000 in commission before you can get a payout from them. So I definitely got a ways to go, but it's a good firm, so it'll probably get there eventually. Yeah.
Yeah.
Skeletor has a love-hate relationship with these prop accounts, so restrictive at times. Yeah, that's how they try to make money, right?
That's how they make their money.
Yeah. So you got to game them, you got to know the rules, and you got to, play within them, and, take the advantages where you can. Because it is nice, to be able to get the ability to trade larger size and everything with a relatively low capital up front, right? So as long as you kind of like just follow their rules, which is easier said than done, but especially if you're Nick and you're trading with like many firms, it's hard to keep track of all the rules. Damn.
It really is.
There's so many. I gotta go check out the My Funded Futures because I did apply with them for a discount code too.
For My Funded Futures?
Yeah. And I should
another solid
firm, yeah.
Yeah.
And I should probably work on trying again with TPT. That would be nice.
Yeah, My Funded Futures, they're the ones who banned Tyler after he took like a $40,000 per account payout from them.
Oh, wow.
Which I you know how I feel about that, but
yeah. Blue Sky, I like Blue Sky, Joanne. I have 2 accounts with them. I actually won an account on Traders Post, which I turned into a funded account. So I have this guy here, which is a funded, up 1,260 in that account. And then I have this Blue Sky 200K account, which has static drawdown, which is pretty awesome. So I'm up 2,193 in this account. And if you look at the drawdown here, it originally started with 2,000 drawdown. Now it has 4,194 drawdown. So I like having that static drawdown because it makes it feel a little bit more like a cash account, right? Like you have this place, you can't go below it. And
yep.
As long as you keep it above that, the account's going to still be alive. So
yeah, those static drawdowns are great. So Blue Sky is great. Don't accidentally get a Blue Guardian account.
Yeah.
I got a Blue Guardian account. I had issues with them. They finally, after way too long, finally got my accounts activated. I got so irritated with them, I put on a long trade and just walked away.
Oh, really? Yeah.
Yeah, I was like, either this is gonna go in my favor, or I'm gonna lose all of these accounts at the same time and never deal with them again. So Blue Guardian can eat a big old bag of dicks.
Yeah. Yeah, I didn't really like Blue Guardian. So I won a Blue Guardian account off of Prop Firm Mash a long time ago. And I was trading it and I hit the daily loss limit. The daily loss limit was a hard breach.
Wait, what?
Yeah. I was like, what? I lost an account on a daily loss limit? Like, well, so what's the whole point of having a full drawdown then? Like, come on.
That's just ridiculous.
I'm like, yeah, that's no good. So that's not an affirm that I'm, you know,
Yeah,
feeling good about.
Blue Guardian's one of those firms where I just look at them and go, yeah, okay. Great. And I think they're aren't they out of like the UAE or something?
Could be.
So right there, that alone makes me not want to trade with them. They were based in like Europe, Canada, the US. Then okay. Even Australia. But WTF? What the FN about, Joanne?
Probably about the getting a daily loss limit.
Oh,
to
yeah,
be
yeah.
a hard
That's
breach.
right.
It's like I couldn't believe it. I was like, what? Why did I lose the account? Like
3 seconds. Yeah. This is a stupid market to be trading in. So I took that $50 trade pre-market, like 7:04, 7:05 a.m. I took one trade last night. So my trade last night was a loss of like 42.50, and my trade pre-market was a gain of exactly $50 minus cost and commissions. So I am up in total for the day $5.13.
Oh, okay.
That is
well, hey,
all that I have made today. $5.13. So you can chuckle about that one. Hell, that's not even a sandwich in a fast food place anymore.
have
Or
you
a coffee
ever
and
have you ever thought about getting one of those stream lights?
Streamlights?
Yeah.
Nobody needs to see me that well. Nobody wants to see me that well.
I don't know. I think they don't mind.
Except for, Jerry Trades and Joanne, but they're kind of weirdos. So
That's okay. We like weirdos.
I wasn't complaining about it.
The rest are boring.
All right. Well, it's 10 after 11. It's pointless for me to be here anymore. I got nothing good to say, nothing good to do. And Joanne is questioning why she's a weirdo. So right there, that's time for me to exit the building before I start getting myself in trouble.
Why am I weirdos? Yeah. If you're asking that question, that's your answer. No. Yeah,
wrong.
you're too far away to be in trouble. She can't get to you, so
Whoa.
ha ha ha.
All
So
right. Well,
how's my calendar looking for today? I did take a trade last night. Made $70 in a funded account, and then I made, I think, $30 in a different account. So I think that's about where I'm at. And then eval, I traded that 100 and whatever. Dashboard here. Let's see. A whole whopping $69.90 today.
Yeah, we both had bangers for today, eh?
Yeah.
All right, Doc. I'm gonna go make myself some lunch.
All right.
It's 9 a.m. Well, I guess this is second breakfast, but because I'm essentially a hobbit. All right, Skeletor, Wayne, Angia, everybody. Joanne, stop being such a weirdo. Jerry, go take care of that hemorrhoid, and I'll talk to y'all later. David?
Yes, sir.
I will see you in the morning. Are you streaming tonight?
Yes.
Enjoy that. I will
Yes,
probably
I
be
am.
sleeping.
All right. Okay.
All right, I'll see you later.
Okay, see you, Nick. Oh, actually, I'm up $103 on the day. Dave or David, whatever you like. Whatever you like. I'm easy. Just don't call me bad words, and we'll be okay. I think we need a little bit more volume on the music here. Now that Mr. Uncle Nick is off the stream, I think he wanted it a little bit quieter. You know me. I like it to be bumping in here like we got nothing else to do. Might as well be like bumping us some good tunes by Night Build Audio. Make sure you guys check out Night Build Audio's YouTube channel. Hit a subscribe over there if you're liking the music. This song's by him, and the one I was just playing before that is by him also. NQ Trickery, wait for confirmation, market open 1% and liquidity rate. Do you have any new songs yet, Night Build? I haven't been to your channel in a minute. You've been too busy? Gotcha. Hey, you got 295 subscribers already. Hey, that's awesome. Killer. I don't think I've seen one more cup. What is this? Working for the man, and I want to throw the man off the edge. Hell yeah. Is the man, you mean like your dad? The man? Or... Oh yeah, the man. You mean like, yeah. I like this One More Cup song. I never heard it before. So that was on July 28th, eh? songwriters playlist. Nice. Well, it looks like I'm not going to get this long idea that I was hoping that it's going to play out here. Remove that guy. Maybe we're going to come down to these lows. Should post the One More Cup song in the Discord. I wouldn't mind adding that one too. This is a really good song. So chill. I like their songs. They're very chillaxing. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, killer songs. Like it. Uh-oh. Starting to push lower here. I guess what we could do is we can think about if we get an inversion on this fair value gap, could potentially look for a short, sort of targeting these lows, maybe right to this indecision candle. It's like 42 points with a stop just slightly above the VWAP. So it's a 1-to-1 risk to reward. I don't know though, guys. It's just, we seem like we're stuck in range. Ugh.
New day, new edge. Here we go. Morning light.
Joanne, if you haven't followed Night Build Audio, you definitely should. Sure, the more subscribers he gets, the more songs he's going to want to pump out when he can, outside of working for the man. Wonder where I haven't seen Czar yet this morning. Usually he pops in to say hi at some point. Damn right. Oh, why can't I stop yawning, guys? What the heck? My mom's been like on this like sort of like, she's been posting a whole bunch of like things on Facebook about like, I don't know, like introspection and stuff like that. So her latest one is your brain a creator or a receiver? What is your best what if your best ideas don't actually come from your brain? Maybe your brain is more like a receiver, translating inspiration into thoughts you can understand. Sometimes the quietest moments bring the biggest insights. Oh, it's like right now it's voting days? It's a voting day right now, Night Build? In the United States of the Americas. Oh yeah, the primaries. Is it primaries or like, is that like similar? Is that like the midterms? Depends whether you let outside sources manipulate you. So Dems vote for who they are going to put forward, and Republic's the same. Big voting year, like half of Congress and governors. Oh yeah, it's in preparation for the midterms, kind of. They appoint somebody, and then that person is who's going to run for the midterm. Midterms are this November. Okay. Oh, I can't seem to stop yawning here. What the heck? This coffee's just not kicking in yet. Oh, depends on whether you let outside sources manipulate or if you're a receiver or a creator. Yeah. What do you think? What do you think then? Does that mean that you feel like being a creator is better than a receiver? Sorry, noise. Sorry, I gotta have to like turn the camera off every time I gotta yawn. I'm gonna like turn off the camera real quick. Sorry guys, I'll be right back. I don't know. I just can't seem to stop yawning. I just didn't get enough. I didn't get enough solid sleep last night. So this whole trading in the evening sessions is pretty hard on me because it's really throwing off my sleep cycle. So I end up staying up a little later than I should be, and then I'm like not getting enough sleep in the morning. I think I need to go back to standing up here. Ryan, what's great for you? Creator, you control your brain. Receiver, you're not. Yes, I can totally agree with that. Definitely should be, yeah, should be creating it. Oh, you staying up for the night shift? Okay, yeah. What's up, gang? Just jumped on to say what's up and drop a like. Hey, thank you for that, Ryan. Appreciate that. You got a busy day today? Off to do some work? I don't know what it was, but yesterday I had a pretty decent day in affiliate sales. Made some Tradeify sales, and also somebody used my code for some Lucid accounts too. Pretty good day on Lucid. So hey guys, so I did send in an application for day trading with Matt as a streamer, but I didn't get a response back from them at all. So I don't think it's not looking very good for that. So Okay, so Blue Sky is a little bit interesting, Joanne. So Blue Sky, if you want to use my code or whatever, I don't know if you've already signed up with them, but they don't give you a discount code right away, but they do give you some links right away. So if you look in the description of the video here, which is down here, Blue Sky Trading Company. So if you haven't signed up, you can use this link right here to sign up with. And then if you've already signed up and you wanted to buy something, you can use this link right here, and that'll give me sort of credit for you going there using my link. But I think what they want you to do is they don't want to just give everyone a code until you sort of like sign some people up, sort of thing. So in any of the live stream videos, I have those links. So even if I'm not live, you can always go back to one of those. And I appreciate it, obviously. And yeah, think about the static ones are, I think they're all of the 2K drawdown ones. So, or the 2000 or 200K account. So there's two routes that you can go here, which is depending if you want to put more money up front and then or less up front, right? So if you go with the launch account, it's relatively the same as a Propel, except for the launch you have to pay only 79 to get the 200K, right? But then there's an activation fee of 179. So it comes out more expensive with this one, but if in case you were to fail it, you're only going to lose 80, right? And then the other route is a Propel account here, which is pretty good too. If you go to 200K static, just for comparison, they do have 150K static also, which has only 1,000 drawdown. So it's like, I think it's better to just go with 200K static. And so this one's 189 up front, but it has a 30-day recurring fee. So as long as you pass it in 30 days, you're probably fine. But it's like, it's cheaper overall, right? But more risk up front. So Propel, $79 with the 30 days, but then 179 at launch. Or sorry, that's the launch account. And then the Propel is 189 all in, no activation fee though once you pass it. So that's what I got for my static account, is this 200K Propel account, and it's like, yeah, it's 189 upfront, and yeah, then you don't have to worry about activation fee, and it's relatively the same rules when you get funded. So buffer target is 3,000, drawdown is 2,000. Sorry, 34% consistency. So this one again, buffer target 3,000, drawdown 2,000, and 34% consistency. So the profit goal is 6,000 for the evaluation stage in the Propel and the launch. They have a little bit of a tighter, so you got to trade this one only 34% consistency for the Propel account. I think that's part of the reason why you can get into it a little bit cheaper. They just don't let you YOLO it. So it's 3 days to pass. This one's 2 days to pass with 50% consistency. So just keep that in mind. You don't want to, you don't want to go over, if it's really, you don't want to get more than 2,000 in 1 day for the Propel account. And you can get, you don't want to get more than 3,000 a day on the launch. So it just depends on if you want to put more money, up front, because you're confident you're going to pass or not, right? So that's kind of the situation there. So, okay, Ryan, you have a great one. Make some money in Asia tonight. Soccer season started, so I coach Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, and ref and on games on Saturday. So no trading, my no trading season. Okay, gotcha. Oh yeah, Tony Robbins. Yeah, that guy's crazy, right? Jim Rohn conference videos? No, I haven't seen Jim Rohn. Oh, he's Tony Robbins' mentor. Okay, gotcha. Jim Rohn. Is that, he's on YouTube, obviously? Jim Rohn. Jim Rohn Real Seminars, 120K subscribers. Hey, you're welcome, Joanne. You're welcome. My pleasure.
Let's go. New day, new edge. Here we go. Morning light, opportunity. Coffee brew, screens ignite. 8:30, ready for the fight. News feeds flash, charting highs. Fortune waits in plain disguise. Everybody, buddy.
Hey, Jacknap NYC. Hey, morning. Am I late for market? You didn't really miss a whole lot today, Jack. Unless you caught this short out of the gate, you know, right at the market open. No, I'm not in a short. I'm waiting for an inversion fair value gap here. This we can invert this bullish fair value gap on the 5-minute chart. Then I'll consider taking a short trade. But I'm just trying to be patient here. Been pretty flat on the day. So okay, Joanne, thanks. Yeah, wish you a great day also. Have a great one. Figure I better look at the higher time frame here. It doesn't look like we have any gaps other than the 5-minute. So they might be trying to invert it right now. Oh, look at that push down here, guys. This trader on Prop Firm Trader podcast just mentioned him. He can really shift your mindset, and he's not even trading related, just personal development. Okay, yeah. So that's this guy right here, right? So Jim Rohn Real Seminars, 120K subscribers. Twelve videos. I just don't know if this is like the real Jim Rohn. Even though it says Jim Rohn Real. Prop Firm Trader podcast. I've never seen this podcast before.
Looking for the secret. The secret is born. One percent. So money still get paid. One more trade, one more day. 1%. Protect the capital, build the dream. Nothing's ever what it seems. 1% again. Tomorrow.
He's not alive anymore, but people post his videos. Okay, gotcha. Yeah, I'll subscribe to that just so I can, so I don't forget about it or don't lose it. Prop Firm Trader podcast. Firm Trader. Oh, it's that guy. Oh, yeah. I've seen this guy before. Or this girl, sorry. Girl or guy? Yeah, it's that dude. I think I've seen that guy. Oh, we did invert that for value gap. So is this going to be our chance to get an entry here? I wonder. Do I dare take it? Do I dare take it? Yeah, he's not alive anymore. He's an old. You can tell by his videos too. Like, he looks pretty. He's pretty old when he was doing these videos. So, and the videos look old. So. So guys, I played some pickleball yesterday, and it was pretty crazy because I played the first time I played advanced, which is like a DUPR score of 4.0 or higher, and yeah, it was pretty good. First time playing advanced, and I felt like I could definitely bang with those players. So my pickleball skills are definitely getting better. So maybe I'm not going to get this in like this retest of the inversion here. I don't know. We kind of just tapped this. Well, we didn't tap it yet, but looks like the trade that I wanted to take is going to play out without my criteria. So you don't even know what pickleball is? It's like the fastest growing sport in North America. Look at this top one futures ads. This pickleball, guys. Is this a commercial? Was that it? Oh, here we go. No, this isn't tennis because they got like a paddle and it's a plastic wiffle ball, right? The court is the size of a badminton court, but it's got like a tennis net, and it's like the game is kind of like a cross between ping pong, tennis, and badminton. So it's pretty good. It's super fun. So don't hate on it until you try it, guys. If you have the the drive to be healthy and do active things. If not, then maybe it's not for everybody. But yeah, it's a super fun sport. Pickleball courts popping up everywhere in the world. So Yeah, I mean, not really like squash because you're not bouncing it off walls and stuff. And the ball is like, it's like a wiffle ball, like a plastic, hard plastic ball, right? And I think you use like a racket for squash, right? I would say it's not really like squash. I would say ping pong, tennis, and badminton though. Because ping pong is like matches the paddle, right? And the spins on the ball. So your friend in Indonesia plays it a lot. People even pay him for courses. Oh, nice. Yeah, it's a really fun game. Super fun. You think this is going to be a higher low here, guys? I don't know if I want to short this now. Used to be good at tennis, but after I broke my arm a few years ago, I just don't have the movement anymore. Oh yeah, that sucks, man. In hockey, I sort of like hurt my shoulder, my rotator cuff. I was turning really sharp, and then my like one edge, which is kind of interesting story because the guys on the hockey team are always like, never get your skates sharpened at the rink. These guys suck. They do like such a crappy job. Eh, boys? Hey, don't do it. Don't do it. Eh, boys? Okay. So, anyways, I got my skates sharpened at the arena that day because they were getting pretty dull. And sure enough, the right side edge of my right skate was like gone, like right from the start. So I went to do a sharp turn as the puck was like popping out of our blue line. And I literally just like went straight down and I landed like on my elbow and jammed my shoulder really hard. Unfortunately. And yeah, then I like kind of, my shoulder was so messed up for, 6 months or so that like I wasn't really exercising or I wasn't playing pickleball and like gained some weight and everything. So finally it's like been feeling better lately. So but I totally get you, like how injuries can really screw you over, especially as we're getting older, right? So, not yet. It'll be soon though. It'll be soon. Not too far though. Not too far. That would have like, if I had that short trade in, that would have like, oh geez, is this really gonna just reject there? Like, come on, can't we just get a little? Why couldn't it have just given me a little bit more there? I really wanted the entry in the inverted fair value gap, but doesn't seem like it wants to. And the more that this thing plays around down here, like the less I'm likely you're gonna want to take the trade in this area now. I can use the bathroom real quick one more time. I'll be right back. Sorry, guys. There you go.
One more candle. Here we go. Green candles got me feeling like a king tonight. Charts clean and every setup looking right. One more breakout, one more perfect call. Till the market flips and takes it all. Watching futures like the screen. Living every trader's dream. One click later, what a ride. Now I'm praying for the other side. Who's hunting all my stops tonight? Who's fading Wait your turn. Every loss is something learned. Market makers stole my trade. Liquidity rate, another payday. But I learned the hardest way. Discipline is here to stay. Take the setup, trust the plan. Don't be Superman. 1% is all I need. Consistency is speed.
Here we go. One more candle. Here we go.
Green candles got me feeling like a king tonight. Charts clean and every setup looking right. One more breakout, one more perfect call. Till the market flips and takes it all. Watching futures like the screen. Living every trader's dream. One click later, what a ride. Now I'm praying for the other side. Who's hunting all my stops tonight? Who's fading every move just right? Tell me why. Market maker stole my trade. Liquidity rate, another payday. I was up and down again. Should've followed my own plan. Ride the trend, don't chase the high. Discipline, don't tell no lies. One good trade beats 20 more. Protect the bag, then fight the war.
News came out, I held too long. Thought I knew, but I was wrong. Blame the algos, blame the Fed. Should've watched my risk instead. Moving stops and adding size. Ego wearing traders' eyes. One revenge trade turns to four. Now I'm staring at the floor.
Everybody says it's manipulation. Everybody got an explanation. Dark pools, fake breaks. Liquidity, heartbreak. Blame the market, blame the whale. Blame the headline, blame retail. Blame the bots that never sleep. Still the losses are run deep. Every chart will tell the truth. If you trade with patience too. Risk is small and winners grow. That's the only edge I know. Slow it down.
Wait your turn.
Every loss
This is something learned.
Market makers stole my trade. Liquidity rate, another payday. But I learned the hardest way. Discipline is here to stay. Take the setup, trust the plan. Don't be Superman. 1% is all I need. Consistency is speed.
We didn't get it, hey? What did I miss? A hockey player, what's your opinion on the dude that died from NHL in the hockey rink in that crazy accident? Adam Johnson. Is that something that you can see happening in hockey often, or it doesn't seem common? You looked it up, just a freak accident by the sounds of it. Oh, gotcha. Yeah, I never even, when did that happen? Was it more recently, or? I'm going to look it up also here. Oh, wow, he got kicked by, he got a skate in the head? Oh my god. When was that? Oh, that was 2 years ago. I mean, that's a pretty freak accident, yeah. End of 2023, yeah. That's a horrible. Why the heck was his skate up like that, though, is what I'm wondering. Like, you know what I mean? I don't even know how that could happen like that, you know? Like, why the heck would he kick his leg up like that, though? You know, in not like usually, like for like non-professional leagues, like with kids and stuff, we gotta wear, like when I was playing like lower level hockey, like as a kid, we had neck guards. We had to wear like this neck guard thing. It was like a requirement, but in the NHL they don't have to, or the higher level stuff, including like rep, right? But just like that kind of, I mean, that's horrible, man. Like, I don't get it. Like, how the hell would, like, that makes no sense why you'd lift his leg like that. Like, it's not like he had to do that, right? Like, he didn't like fly through the air and get tripped and do that. It's just why he raised his leg like that. I'm like, what the hell, man? The guy responsible is innocent too. It's crazy because technically you still, yeah, I know, right? It's pretty wild, actually. Oh, it's too bad that this trade would have worked out, but I was looking for the retest on the inversion. I guess the only retest would have been this guy right here. And then, but it would have only given me about this much profit, which is 30 points. Still like a nice 30-point trade, but like, it's not, unfortunately, just wasn't the criteria I was looking for on that trade. So take that guy off. Looks like we might still go down here to the 650s and 637s. So this week is starting off pretty slow for me. Here's my calendar on the funded accounts. 20 cents on Sunday. One trade, 20 cents. I think I did trade some evals in here though. Like, so I'm overall I'm up more on the week so far, but these are just the funded accounts. 348 on Monday and now 103 today. So Not banking, that's for sure. But hey guys, let's see what happens here. We got the hourly candle coming up here in about 20 seconds. So let's see if we get some sort of a momentum move here or not. Maybe we can find one more trade. Not going to force anything though. I do have the top one futures 100K account. Could it take a trade on that guy? Blue Sky account, that one's up 70. I don't want to touch that one. So there's that guy. Or I have my TPT. TPT's up $33. Lucid Flex, both are flat. Here's this new candle. Yeah, so did you guys take any trades, or are you just hanging out right now too? Seems like we're all just hanging out right now, just waiting for something to happen, and it's just not really cooperating with us right now. If you know, you know. So I'm up $100 basically in the funded accounts, and I'm up. Let's see. In these evals, I'm up 129 in my top one futures eval, and I'm up 115 in my Blue Sky eval. So you took a short and then immediately long, and I'm up 700 in one account and 200 in another. Wow, good for you, man. That's awesome. Nice trades. I put a little bit of stringent criteria on my trade entry there, or else I probably would have at least taken a nice little W out of that trade, but doesn't look like it's going to happen here. But yeah, I think I'm going to wrap it up here, guys. Just not the price action just isn't really giving me the vibes of taking trades here. So I'm going to be back on later tonight, 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So make sure you guys come hang out. We'll be doing a couple duck races for extra ducks into the Sunday race. So yeah, come hang out 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Let's see if we can't get some nice trades tonight. Yeah, it's a garbage day. Yeah, for sure. Big T. Yeah, the candles are weird. We're not really making much momentum. And like, look at all the wicks on these guys. They're like indecision candle after indecision candle. Finally broke down. And then looking like we're getting a whole bunch more indecision candles. Like gravestone doji. Push up. Push straight back down. Another gravestone doji. Another grave. Another grave. So pretty bearish here at the moment, but not loving the risk to reward. Like this could just, maybe even if we were to get short somewhere around this area, maybe we're just only going to sweep the lows a little bit and then start ripping back higher. So could easily take a losing trade here. So it's not really worth it to me. So, but yeah, thanks everybody. Need ES down to 77.45 for a good long entry. All right. Well, I wish you luck on that trade. I hope it plays out for you there, Sat. But thanks, everybody. Jerry Trades, Big Teflon, Skeletor, Wayne, Nightbuild Audio, Noi, Chris, Plum Trader, Hightam, Ryan Entourage, Fall Day Today, Kyle Shees, Tim Core, Blackout News Network, Jack Knapp, Puran Polywall, Dr. Himat, Wrong Trade Jim, Angia, FN Trades, and Peter Hartman. Thanks, guys. Appreciate you guys tuning in. And like I said, be live tonight, 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Come hang out. Let's hopefully we get a little bit better price action tonight than we are right now. And yeah, enjoy your day. Thanks a lot for hanging out. And hey, Futures Trader, hello, good morning. You showed up right at the very end when we're about to end the stream, but welcome to the nothing burger day on the market. So price action's not being very friendly, so we've been pretty flat throughout the day and sort of wrapping it up here. Only small profits on the day, so I'm okay with it. You can't have every day be a banger, right? Sometimes we need these kinds of days before we're going to get the big move on the next day or two. So capital preservation is key. So thanks everybody. Appreciate you guys. And yeah, like I said, 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Come hang out and let's find some good trades tonight. So thanks guys. Love y'all. Have a great day, guys. Thanks, guys. See you later.